Hey everybody, this is TechX, and today we are gonna starting a new series which we called Hidden Feature series powered by Samsung. So in this series basically we're gonna see some amazing mind-blowing features of Samsung devices, any Samsung devices. It will work on I think all devices of Samsung, A series, M series, and all that you have. So don't worry. I'm making video on my Samsung Galaxy A31. So let's start. Feature number 1 is you can open any application just through your notification bar. In a pop-up mode. That I don't think you know this feature because I was not also aware of this feature, but I knew it in previous days. So let's start first feature. So you just need to hold on what you wanna open. You just need to hold on. Sorry, it's not working. You just need to hold on whatever you wanna open in pop-up mode. It will open in pop-up mode, remind it. So you just need to hold on few seconds and you can drop here. You see, you can drop here, then it will open in a pop-up mode. As you know what is pop-up mode, so this was feature, this is very cool feature. Like if you're walking, if you have opened any new, so let's say you are on some other app and you are walking or seeing or learning whatever, and you don't want to go home and open that app in which notification comes, or you need to open, just click from here. So you just need to hold on it and drag it. So let's move to our second feature, which is also a very useful feature for all Samsung One UI users. So I forget to mention one thing, that all these features which I am showing you will work with you if you have latest updated version of Samsung UI One UI, that is 3.0 or 3.1. It will work on that. So our second feature will work like this. Like you are working on somewhere and you needed a split screen. You needed that application from notification to split screen. So you just need to again hold on few seconds, and you will see here, drag here, or you can see here, this is split screen. So it's a very cool feature. So you can see it started working. So yeah, this is an awesome thing which I was trying to deliver you from along. So this series will continue on my channel, Continuous TechX. So get subscribed and press that bell icon for latest updates. So thank you for watching, guys. Hope you find this video helpful and little bit new. So don't worry, we will continue this series up to along. Let's say you're working on some other application or window like WhatsApp or any other social media, or on Chrome surfing something, and suddenly a pop-up popped and you don't wanna go home and open that application, or click on and open in full mode. So this will a cool feature for you if you are lazy like me.